G'day everyone, welcome to Mandurah Aussie. Well, today we're doing a continuation of the catch and cook of the crabs I did in Mandurah. So now I took them home, cooked them up, had some crab sandwiches and a beer for lunch. So for dinner time we're going to make some crab cakes. A nice, easy, simple recipe to do. We go by the step-by-step process and we'll show you now. Thanks for watching. G'day everyone, welcome back. Well, it's a pretty simple recipe to follow. I've just got a few of the crab cakes here with me now that are finished, but you can see they're lovely and golden brown, the juicy inside. I did have 8 that recipe makes, but some unknown reasons I think the family got into it before I could do this part of the video, so they're outside now launching down on the old crab cakes. So it's a pretty easy recipe. You've got the fresh crabs, bit of parsley, lime juice, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon, a few other ingredients, a bit of sriracha is a hot sauce. So there's a recipe card in the video, and I've also got the garlic aioli or garlic mayonnaise, just some fresh garlic, some lime juice in that. So now we'll give them a bit of a taste test. So it's absolutely chockers full of crabs, so delicious it will be. Absolutely delicious. And this, you can just, there's a touch of heat with the sriracha. Taste the Dijon in there. Like I say, it's 95% crab, so you can't go past it, and it's very moist. Just a different way of doing the crab. If you've got any ideas, if you'd like to see me when I go out doing the catching crabs, whether it be with pasta, chili crabs, like a Singapore pepper crab, just leave a message. Just leave a comment below. Press and hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next video. Bon appetit. You'll enjoy these, as I know I'm about to. Cheers guys.